Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I have another veganized version of one of my most popular recipes, my Baileys Irish Whiskey Cupcakes. And because Baileys now has a vegan Irish cream liqueur, we are in luck. These super moist chocolate whiskey spiked cupcakes are loaded up with Baileys Irish Cream Buttercream. And this cute little cake topper filled to the brim with Irish stout. Now, some people do get upset that St. Patrick's Day is known more for the alcoholic drinks that are flowing rather than the true history of the holiday itself. But I'm not going there. I'm just going to say one thing. These cupcakes are amazing and I think you need to try them. So check out how to make them, and you will need flour and cocoa powder, vegan butter and chocolate that I'm going to melt together in a small sauce pot. I've got both white and brown sugars, salt, baking powder and baking soda, instant coffee, and some boiled water to make the coffee, or just use a strong brewed coffee if you have that. Flax meal for the egg replacer, or you can actually use any egg replacer that you like best. Applesauce for a little moisture, and then whiskey, of course, and vanilla extract. So first combine the flax meal with the water and let that stand to thicken. You'll add the coffee granules to the hot water to make a coffee. Now sift only half of both sugars with the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and then the other half of those sugars to a large mixing bowl with the thickened flax paste, applesauce, vanilla, and whiskey. Mix it on low speed and then add in that brewed coffee. Now you're going to add in the melted butter and the chocolate mixture, and then slowly add the sifted dry ingredients while mixing on low speed. Now if you're wondering why I add half of the sugar to the flour mixture, it is to avoid large balls of flour that will inevitably occur when trying to add flour to such a liquid mixture like this one. Trust me, I had mucho balls of flour in my batter every time before I decided to do it this way, so you're welcome in advance. Again, this is a very liquid batter, so I do like to transfer it to a pourable container, and then into the cupcake liners it goes. Now this will make 12 cupcakes, not 6, like I'm showing here, so get them to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes, or until they're springy to the touch when you press the centers. Meanwhile, we can make the Baileys Irish Cream Buttercream by combining vegan butter and shortening in a mixing bowl and whipping it smooth. Add a pinch of salt and the vanilla extract, and then the sifted confectioner's sugar. Whip it on high until it is light and fluffy, and then you're going to add a bit of melted but cooled ganache and a generous helping of that Baileys vegan Irish liqueur. Once the cupcakes are completely cooled, ice them up, and I put a sprinkling of edible green glitter for the holiday and my cute little fondant mugs of stout. Check out how to make those if you are interested to add that little bit of decoration to the top of your cupcakes. And that's it, guys. A cupcake perfect for St. Patrick's Day, and the taste of these bad boys are just out of this world, so I do hope you will try the recipe. Head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab it, but before you do, I really hope you'll subscribe here to my channel for more great vegan recipes weekly. Thanks to everyone for watching, and a great big special thank you to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for being the greatest supporters of me and my channel. If you think you can help for as little as $1 a month just to offset the cost to make these videos, I would really appreciate that so much. Just click the links below to find out how. Alright, until next time, happy vegan baking and happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Bye for now.